Most people think the reason they're broke is because they don't have enough money. But that's not true. The real reason is because they never learn how to use small money correctly. Think about it. Every day in the United States, people spend $10 without thinking twice. Coffee, fast food, subscriptions, random online shopping, money disappears quietly. But what if instead of spending that $10, you used it to create more money? That's the difference between consumers and builders. Now listen carefully. This is not a fantasy video. This is not become a millionaire overnight. This is a realistic strategy, something normal people in the USA can actually try. And the goal is simple. Turn $10 into your first 100, then 500, then $1,000. Not by gambling, not my crypto hype, not my fake gurus, by selling, because selling is the fastest way to generate cash quickly. And right now the internet gives normal people more opportunities than ever before. So let's break this down step by step. Step 1, stop thinking like a customer or people buy things. What can I sell? What can I sell? That one question can change your financial future. Now here's the good news. You do not need a warehouse. You do not need employees. You do not need thousands of dollars. You just need one product, one service, one opportunity. Step 2, use your $10 smartly. Because they waste money on logos, websites, or complicated setups. Wrong move. Your first goal is not to look professional. Your first goal is to make money fast. So use your $10 strategically. Example, spend it on Facebook Marketplace boosts, or gas to pick up cheap items, or packaging supplies, or Canva Pro for product images. Small tools, big difference. Step 3, sell what people already want. This is important. Do not invent a product. Do not overcomplicate. Sell things people already buy every day. In the USA, these things move fast. Phone accessories, small electronics, gaming items, fitness products, kitchen gadgets, sneakers, vintage clothes, tools, baby items, pet products. Why? Because demand already exists. It is simply to connect buyers to products. Step 4, flipping, the fastest method. Now listen carefully. This is one of the fastest ways to turn small money into bigger money. Flipping. What is flipping? Buy low, sell higher. That's it. People in the USA do this every single day. Facebook Marketplace, garage sales, thrift stores, clearance sections. Example, someone sells a gaming chair for $20. You negotiate. Get it for 10. Clean it. Take better photos. Relist it for 60. That's profit. Now repeat. Again and again. This is how many people made their first $1,000. Step 5. Use free platforms. Most people underestimate this. Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, eBay, TikTok, Instagram Reels. These platforms are free attention, and attention is money. The person who gets attention gets sales. So don't just post products. Make them look attractive. Better lighting, better photos, better titles, better descriptions. Presentation matters. Step 6. Understand human psychology. People buy emotionally. They buy convenience. They buy excitement. They buy solutions. So don't just say, selling chair. Say, comfortable gaming chair perfect for setup. Don't just sell a product. Sell a result. That changes everything. Step 7. Move fast. Speed matters. Most people think too much, while others are already making money. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Take action quickly. Learn while moving. Your first sale will teach you more than 100 motivational videos. Step 8. Reinvest everything. This is where the real growth happens. Most people make their first profit, then spend it. Big mistake. Instead, reinvest. $10 becomes 40, 40 becomes 120, 120 becomes 300, 300 becomes 1,000. That's how momentum works. Step 9. Avoid these mistakes. Do not buy random junk. Do not follow hype blindly. Do not waste money trying to look rich. Focus on cash flow. Money moving in is more important than looking successful online. Step 10. The internet changed everything. Years ago, starting a business was difficult. Today, you can start from your phone. One product, one listing, one customer. That's enough to begin. And remember, your first week is not about perfection. It's about momentum. You make your first sale. Your mindset changes forever. Because suddenly, you realize money is not magic. It moves through value. And the people who learn to sell control the flow of money. Final message right now. Someone with less money than you is making sales online. Not because they're smarter, not because they're luckier, because they started. That's the difference. So stop waiting, stop overthinking, use your $10 intelligently. Start small, move fast, learn quickly. And who knows? That first $10 might completely change your future.